All right, van lifers, let's talk bugs. You're parked in paradise, but the real party crashers, mosquitoes, flies, midges, they always show up uninvited. Let me show you what actually works. This is the White Magnetic Flyscreen from Living in a Bubble, and it's not just a bug blocker, it's your new favorite van life upgrade.
If you're anything like me, you've spent a lot of time and effort making your van the perfect home away from home. So don't let dark door screens bring down your entire van vibe. Welcome to the Living in a Bubble Boho inspired White Magnetic Flyscreens.
Straight out of the bag, it's super compact and folds out easily. And the best part, no tools, no hardware, just magnets sewn into every single edge. All you have to do is hold it up to the van and the magnets snap right into place. It's so satisfying, and it fits snug, no gaps, no bugs. Done. This fly screen isn't just about bugs though, it's about creating a vibe. The soft white mesh brings this beachy, breezy boho look to the van, and honestly, I am obsessed.
They're designed to fit your side door space perfectly, super simple to install and made with quality materials. They allow airflow while protecting your van from bugs and harsh sunlight and give you privacy from the outside. You can also close the door with the screen still in place. The Living in a Bubble boho inspired magnetic fly screen, guaranteed to suit your every style.
I can't even count the number of peaceful mornings and golden hour evenings I've had with this screen up. It's the kind of little detail that makes van life feel just right. Oh, and did I mention? The mesh is made to last, fine enough to block even the tiniest bugs like no-see-ums, but strong enough for years of adventure. I use this thing every single day. It's a total must-have. It's simple. It's stylish. This fly screen didn't just solve a problem. It elevated my van life. It made my space feel open, connected, and calm. I can cook, sleep, relax, all with fresh air and not a single buzzing bug in sight. It's those little upgrades that make van life feel like home. You don't need a million gadgets or fancy gear, just thoughtful pieces that truly make your experience better. And the best part? It goes wherever I go. Whether I'm chasing the coast or finding a quiet forest nook, I know I've got comfort, privacy, and peace of mind packed with me. So if you're just starting your van life journey or you're already deep in it and you're looking for one game-changing upgrade, this is it. So do yourself a favor, grab one. You'll wonder how you ever camped without it. Hit that link on the description and grab yours now. Your van and your sleep will thank you. And hey, if you already use it, let me know in the comments how it's changed your van life.